Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen table. We're going to work in math in our chubby books today. So please get your books and open up to page 259 and give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, here we go. It says, let's learn. Anna and Ron made shape designs whose designs has congruent figures. Congruent means when something is the same shape and the same size. It has to have both of those qualities, okay? Anna's figures are the same shape and the same size. They are congruent, okay? It doesn't matter that some of them are blue and some of them are red. It doesn't matter that they're in different positions. But if you look, they're all 1, 2, 3 dots across, and then they go up 2 dots to make triangles. Ron's figures are the same shape, but they're different sizes. They're not congruent. So he's got all the rectangles, but the sizes are getting smaller, so they're not congruent. Okay, let's look at this together. We're not going to do the tracing paper thing because most of us probably don't have it. But look at the triangle on number 1. We need to find out which of the other triangles, because they're all triangles, are congruent. All right, is the first one, the blue one, the same size and shape as our example? Give me thumbs up if you think so. Yes, it is. Good. Look at number 2. That's also a triangle. But is it the same size? Nope, don't color it in. All right, look at number 3. The position is different, but is it the same size and the same shape? Yes, it is. Good. Number 4. All right, it's a triangle, same shape, but is it the same size? Nope, don't color it. And number 5. Once again, it's the same shape, it's a triangle, and it's the same size. So it doesn't matter the position, okay? All right, let's look at number 2. We have a square, okay? Now, look at the first picture next to it. That is a square turned on its side. So it's the same shape, but it's too small. So we're not going to color it. All right, look at number 2. What do you think, yes or no? Yes. All right, number 3. Oh, that one's out right away. It's a rectangle. It's not the same shape or the same size. Number 4, square, too small, can't do it. Number 5, what do you think? Perfect. Okay, now look at number 3 there. We have a pentagon, okay, 5 sides. All right, the first one, let's see. Same shape, but it looks a little smaller to me. Our first example is smaller. Okay, we're not going to color that one. All right, look at the second one. The position is different, but the shape and the size are the same. Good. How about number 3? Not the same shape. Number 4, 3 across, 1, 1. That's the same size. And number 5. Use your dots as your guide. Okay, we're not using a ruler. We have 1, 2, 3 on the base. We go up 1 and then to the point. So that's the same size and shape. All right, now it says draw congruent figures to a given figure. Remember what I said about using the dots? If I were going to draw this trapezoid, I would do my bottom first. And I'd have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots over. Then I look and I go 1, 2 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 across, and then 1, 2 down. All right, you're going to draw those figures for me, okay? But count the dots. That's the whole reason the dot is there. All right, and let's look at page 261. Lines of symmetry. We talked about this in class many, many times. A line of symmetry means that if you were to draw a dotted line, all the way down, and fold your objects, they would be equal. So when if you have a line of symmetry, you cut something in half, and you fold it, and it's equal. The sides line up properly. All right, so Kendra and Marissa each drew a figure and then folded it. I folded my figure in half. The 2 parts match. This is the line of symmetry. Okay, good. Now, I folded my paper in 2 different ways. The figure has 2 lines of symmetry. Well, because she's got the diamond, she could fold it lengthwise or widthwise. All right, good. Now, draw 1 line of symmetry on this diamond here. Well, we can't go across with it because if we go across, we're going to fold it. It's not going to be equal, okay? But let's go down, straight down the middle. Okay, good. All right. Let's go to the pentagon. All right, where are you going to do your line? Can we go up and down? No, because of that tip. If we folded it over, it wouldn't match. We have to go from the bottom to the tip, a line of symmetry. Okay? Same thing with our triangle. We can't fold it down because the tip would not line up. But if we fold it in half in the midline, from the top of the tip to the bottom, we'd have matching parts. So that's what your line of symmetry is, okay? You are going to finish pages 261 and 262, and then you can show me your finished work for those pages, and workbook page 74 is your exit card. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow on Zoom. Bye-bye.